So today we are taking some tours of top neighborhoods in Fort Collins, and this is actually a neighborhood that was developed while I was living just next door. I bought a house in West Chase in 2013. I'd walk my dog along the bike paths, and this was just a cornfield. And today, some of the top houses, top lots, beautiful homes, anywhere from 2,000 to 7,000 square feet. You used to be able to buy a house in here for probably right around $500,000. Probably not so much anymore. I would say the lower of the price points would be low sixes, and you could reach all the way up to $2 million. There's literally a listing right now for $2.1 million. We're a stone's throw away from Fossil Lake Reservoir, Kennard Core Knowledge, but the main elementary is gonna be Bacon Elementary, Preston Middle School, Fossil Ridge High School. In this neighborhood, you know, it's newer, like I said, built in 2016, and Toll Brothers was the builder. Actually, they just released their last house just a few months ago. A couple clients and I, we walked it, and these homes, you know, really do hit on everything that today's buyer wants. Open concepts, great, grand, tall ceilings, 9-foot basement ceilings, truly light and bright backyards. Now, there are some of these lots that are a little bit smaller, so like 1/10 of an acre, but when we get up to that $2 million price point, we could see half-acre lots. They have a resort-style pool that throughout the entire spring, summer, it is one of the cooler pools in the neighborhood, which, you know, shocker, with being a newer development, this neighborhood actually does not have a metro district. And the HOA is actually pretty affordable. You can see anywhere between 120 to 150 plus per month on the HOA. Although a newer neighborhood, it is absolutely beautiful. We are right near Fossil Lake Reservoir. It was actually the first time that I went there to take pictures with my family just a few weeks ago, and it was freezing, but it's completely open space. And these houses, there are some $1 million, $2 million homes that are backing to these huge open spaces, and Fossil Lake Reservoir that is, you know, pretty unique in the fact that there's raptor programs there, birds flying all over the place. Alrighty, so if you are looking to move to Northern Colorado, give me a call, text, or email. I'd love to help you. I've got your back when it comes to everything Northern Colorado, and specifically Kechter Farm. Kechter Farm, I could live here.